Upgrade Creality CR-10 V2 3D printer with Silent Mainboard Meanwell Power Supply all metal extruder drive feed large build volume 300x 400mm. If you plan to install BL Touch, you can buy BL Touch kits in our store. The auto bed leveling kits from other sellers doesn't fit on CR-10 V2 3D printer. Upgraded Silent Motherboard, CR-10 V2 has adopted industrial self-developed motherboard backed by TMC 2208 Ultra Silent driver. It demonstrates firm properties as well as reduces noise. 24V350W Meanwell Power Supply, equipped with solid 24V350W Meanwell Power Supply pairs with thermally efficient bed heater. It allows for rapid heating to 100 BL touch frame and direct drive extruder reserved. Dual ends heat dissipation and all metal extruder. CR-10 V2 equipped with dual ends heat dissipation reduces filament blockage and promotes aperture precision, producing better prints. All metal extruding unit stable in feeding filaments and wear resisting. Golden triangle remarkably stable structure and resume printing enabled. Innovative diagonal drawbar structure forms a firm golden triangle that effectively reduces errors caused by vibrations. If a power outage occurs, it follows the unfinished printing instructions. What you get: Creality CR-10 V2 3D printer and lifetime technical support. ComGrow is always stand behind what we sell to our customers. Professional after-sales team is on your side. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.